Hi guys, if you like install any games in your mobile like Samsung S21 FE, or if you are not able to see the icon here on the main screen, so what you can do, you just go to there is a one option, you go to the just game launcher, or you can search here game launcher. Okay, open it game launcher. You can see there is the option to choose radio button in game launcher and the home screen app screen. Okay, and it is selected right now in game launcher only, so you have to select first one in game launcher and the home and app screen. Just select it, and now you can see your game is showing over to the screen like that. So it is very easy process. Okay, easy setting. Just go to the setting game launcher and just select it. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, then please subscribe my channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much guys to watch this video. Bye, see you, take care.